Hey guys, just got home from the locksmith today and got a couple locks from them. I was down there seeing if they could make a key for this old American train yard lock that I had, but unfortunately they don't have that kind of key, and probably be easier for me to find it online somewhere. I don't know, talk to Jeff Moss, he's always got keys for everything, and also seeing if they could make a key for one of these Americans too, but they weren't able to help there either. But so not too bad, but they didn't leave me empty-handed. They gave me some parting gifts, which was very nice of them. The first one is this Arrow kick cylinder with incredibly nice bitting. I mean, that is going to make one heck of a challenge lock right there. So I'm really excited for that, and I feel bad for whoever gets that first. The next one that they gave me is a Medico kick cylinder. I think I've only got one of these. I don't have a whole lot of a chance of getting into it anytime soon. I'm still working my way up in the Medico world, but it's nice to have. Then I got a Schlage, one of these rim cylinders that holds a kick cylinder. So I love these things. I got my first one from Jeff Moss, actually, yeah. So I'm using it right now to hold on to this challenge lock from Texas Gym that I need to try and get into here soon. But it'll be nice to have another one of these laying around. And anybody that knows me knows I love Schlage Everest. And so I got another one of those, which is really exciting. These things are just a ton of fun. They're not super hard. I mean, you get the hang of them, they're super easy, but they're fun. And then this one that absolutely made my week. A Schlage Primus. I've been wanting one of these for quite a while now, but everything I can find online, the eBay and Amazon and everything, these are very expensive, and I've never been able to win one at an auction, so now I have one, and I'm so excited for this. I'm hoping to be able to get into this on video here pretty soon, but for now, let's try and pick something for this video. So I'm going to do the Everest, because these are my favorite. So, and an Arrow, just standard pins, that's not too exciting. This will give it a little bit more fun to the video. So let's get her up here. Hopefully I can get into this. This will be a nice little blind pick here. 50 thousandths top of the keyway, and I like my half diamond for getting the detent pin down here. And maybe a medium hook for the top pins. So alright, let's check the detent. Oh, detent is the first one. I've never actually had that happen, but that's nice to know. Good thing I checked. And now let's deal with these top pins. Okay, that was 5. Maybe 6. I don't know if this is a 5 or 6 pin lock. It's 3. That's 2. Being just standard pins in these Schlage Everest, just heavy tension on them. Just look for a binder and give it a shove. That was 4, I think. 3 feels good. 2 is loose. 1 is binding. There we go, got 1. Let's head to the back again. Gotta be just held up by one pin or something now. There it is. Yeah, that was a really high cut one. On like pin 4, I think. Alright. And just the typical Schlage retainer. D10 pin. Oh. It should just be all standards all the way around. Yep, it was actually populated 6, so that's nice. Yep, all standards. So nothing too special in here, but it's a fun pick. I just love Everest. I don't know why. So, but yep, all standards. So the highlight of everything though is definitely, where'd it go? There it is. The Primus. So wish me luck. I'm gonna do the best I can to get into this here pretty soon and get it on camera. So. But thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll get more videos out to you soon.